Today we're unboxing the ultimate mobile cinema setup. We've got the Freewell Steven Divish 1.33x Pro Cine Anamorphic lens, the hybrid 5-stop VND CPL, and mist filter kit, all mounting onto the Pro Filmmaker case for the iPhone 17 Pro Max. Let's see what's inside. For a long time, my setup was the iPhone 14 Pro Max on a DJI OM5. The quality was great, but I was always adding black bars and editing just to get that cinematic look. Now, the wait is over. With the Freewell 1.33x anamorphic lens, I'm getting that true widescreen aspect ratio natively. No more fake bars, no more lost resolution, just pure Hollywood cinema straight out of the camera. Inside, Freewell keeps it clean and professional. We get a high-quality microfiber cloth for keeping that case spotless, the warranty card for peace of mind, and finally, the case itself. Now, let's talk about why this case is the foundation for everything. First, it's crafted from Kevlar, making it 5 times stronger than steel, but incredibly lightweight. It features a precision 17mm lens mount, specifically designed to hold heavy glass like the anamorphic without any sagging. Next up, the glass that gives your footage that dreamlike quality. This is the Freewell Hybrid VND CPL and Mist Filter Kit. It's a slide-on system, meaning no more fumbling with threads, just quick, professional control over your exposure and highlights. Let's see what's in the pouch. The packaging here is top-notch. Along with the warranty card, Freewell provides a solid hardshell box for storage. Inside, the 2 filters are surrounded by thick, soft padding, ensuring the glass stays flawless while you're out in the field. Now for the main event, the Freewell Steven Divish 1.33x Pro Cine Anamorphic. This isn't just any lens, it's a 3-in-1 powerhouse with interchangeable flares. Let's crack this box open and see the glass that's going to give our iPhone 17 Pro Max a true Hollywood look. The anamorphic secret is all about the physics. This 1.33x glass uses cylindrical elements to squeeze a massive field of view onto the sensor. By using every pixel of the 48-megapixel main camera, we get that glorious widescreen look through the Blackmagic app, all without losing a single bit of resolution to cropping. Inside the box, Freewell has included everything for a professional setup. We have the standard microfiber cloth and warranty card, but here's the important part: a small 0.9mm hex wrench, spare grub screws for fine-tuning your lens to ensure a perfectly level horizon every time you shoot, and buckle accessory for the case. And of course, the dedicated anamorphic lens case to keep it all secure. Turning the case over, you can't miss the subtle, high-end Freewell branding etched right into that Kevlar weave. This isn't just about the aesthetics. The build quality here is elite. From the aerospace-grade strength of the Kevlar to the precision-machined 17mm lens mount, every fine detail is engineered for the iPhone 17 Pro Max. It's a rock-solid foundation that transforms a standard phone into a professional-grade cinema rig. Now let's look at the glass. This is the Freewell Hybrid VND CPL and Mist Filter Kit. The build quality is exceptional, featuring a precision machine dial with a 5-stop VND range. This gives you total control over your exposure and polarizes the light in one smooth motion. Notice the fine detail of the mist coating. It's designed to take the digital edge off your iPhone 17 Pro Max footage, giving you those soft, blooming highlights and a truly organic, film-like feel. Now for the main event, the glass. This is the Steven Divish Edition 1.33x Pro Cine Anamorphic. The build quality is incredible, a solid precision-machined metal housing that feels like a cinema lens. But the real magic is in the fine details, the world's first interchangeable flare system. You can swap between gold, blue, or neutral flares in seconds, giving your iPhone 17 Pro Max a custom cinematic look that usually requires a $10,000 camera rig. Changing the vibe of your shoot is incredibly simple. Just press down on this golden yellow button to release the lock, and the flare module pulls right out. To switch from those classic blue streaks to a warm gold or a clean neutral look, just align the new module and slide it in. One of my favorite fine details is how Freewell handles the lens caps. We get front and back protective covers, but we all know how easy it is to lose these while shooting in the field. To solve that, they've made them magnetic. When you're ready to shoot, you just snap the two covers together. It keeps them as one solid unit, so they don't go missing while you're focused on the shot. This is a dedicated slide-in system designed specifically for the anamorphic lens. No screwing around with adapters. Just slide the hybrid VND and mist filter right over the front of the glass. It locks in perfectly, giving us full exposure control and that dreamy cinematic bloom while shooting in widescreen. Mounting the glass is the most satisfying part. The 17mm mount provides a rock-solid connection for the Steven Divish 1.33x lens. But the engineering doesn't stop there. Look closely at the built-in level gauge. It's there to guarantee your widescreen bars are perfectly horizontal. A quick adjustment with the grub screws and the horizon is locked in. Our iPhone 17 Pro Max is now a calibrated, professional filmmaking machine. Let's take a closer look at the fine details. From the rugged texture of the Kevlar weave to the precision machine threads of the 17mm mount, the build quality is undeniable. Notice the signature Steven Divish branding and that iconic golden yellow button for the flare system. This isn't just a collection of gadgets. It's a meticulously designed ecosystem for professional mobile filmmaking. Now let's see how to set up the mobile phone for the lens and some sample during my Europe travel. In order to set up the mobile for this lens, you'll need to head over to the App Store on your iPhone and search for the Blackmagic Camera app. Just go into the settings, tap on Camera, and scroll down until you see Anamorphic to squeeze. From there, simply select 1.33x. Instantly, that squeezed image transforms into a perfect cinematic widescreen right on your screen, so you can frame your shots exactly how they'll look in the final edit.
What does perfect even mean? Is there even such a thing?